In this video, I want to explain how to get an even bigger discount on Purse.io, and this is that button, name your discount, okay, and how it works. So you can get an Amazon discount. They say up to 10 to 33%. I mean, 33%, that's really big, okay? The way it works is they actually have a service where they match you with people who have Amazon gift cards already. You don't need to buy the gift cards. You just need to say like I want this discount, and then Purse.io does the work to find people who already have gift cards, and then those people buy the thing that you want with their gift cards for dollars, but they take your Bitcoin, okay? And it works through their escrow system because they have a built-in escrow system where there's no risk. You only pay your Bitcoin when you get your product for the price that you named. So if you want a super discount, give this a try to name your own discount on Amazon. Right now, I think they only have this on Amazon, and you can get an amazing discount. I mean, 33%. That's like legitimate. That's a legitimate discount. Even like a 20 or 25%. That's a crazy discount. So this is very worth trying. Next time you're buying something, maybe sizable on Amazon, I would definitely do it through this and take like 20 or 25% off. Maybe 33% is not realistic, but like 20 or 15 or 25%, that would be pretty amazing on top of everything else that, maybe all the other discounts that you might get. So anyway, that's it. Try the name your discount next time you buy stuff on Amazon and you'll be happy.